welcome to Discover Natural. This is the second episode. So if you've seen us wearing this, yeah, it's because today's wash day. So first video we did, we detangled our hair using gloves, and today we've shampooed our hair. We also deep conditioned our hair, and we shampooed our hair with the Love Your Curls Lush brand. So I have my daughter's hair. Tolani, my youngest daughter, what is your porosity?
High porosity. That means that the water dries up like...
Yeah, so that means our hair dries up really quickly, and I have my hair is low porosity, so it takes my hair a long time for it to dry up. And
I have normal porosity where it doesn't need more moisture or it doesn't need any moisture at all.
yeah, well you need moisture.
Where it doesn't need so little moisture.
Okay, today we are going to be reviewing the Cantu
Curl structure,
and it promises to stretch our curls, reduce shrinkage. Since our hair is wet, this is my hair. Let me put your hair well. So this is my hair, all shrunk.
Your is really wet.
Yeah, my hair is really wet, and because it's low porosity, so the moisture, even I dried it, it's still wet. So this is you can see my hair right now. This is how it looks like. In terms of the shrinkage, this is it. Move, let me see my shrinkage. So this is my shrinkage right here. Tolani's shrinkage, let's see Tolani's shrinkage.
It's not that much.
So this is Tolani's shrinkage. She doesn't have a lot of shrinkage. And Eniola's shrinkage, this is Eniola's shrinkage. You have to look at the camera.
That's a lot of...
So this is a shrinkage right now. So we've chosen the right side of our hair to apply the curl stretcher. We have this section, as you see, our shrinkage. My shrinkage. Okay, we're gonna pull our hair just to show you the real length of our hair. Okay, close your mouth. I know the shrinkage is outrageous. You can see I have the most shrinkage. I would say this is about 75 to 85% or so shrinkage, and any other shrinkage is pull. Okay, so this is the consistency of the product. Oh, it's so thick.
Whoa. It looks like mayonnaise.
It looks like mayonnaise. So I'm gonna take some, and then Eniola is gonna take some, and Tolani is gonna take some. So this actually claims, let's read the claim. So the claim says elongate strands for easy hair dried and blow dried result, and is formulated to temporary loosen texture to add manageability. Okay, so you're supposed to apply it on damp hair. So our hair is damp.
It looks like mayonnaise, but it doesn't smell.
It kind of feels, I don't know, put in your hair. It kind of feels weird. It feels weird?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to move closer. Yeah, so I'm putting my hair. It has a
weird texture.
It doesn't look as if it has a lot of slip. Just has a weird texture to it. Let me see. Who needs more?
Me, definitely.
Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna just put it all over our hair. More stuff, and we're supposed to leave it for 3 to 5 minutes, and then go rinse off. And it's supposed to help with the shrinkage. Okay, so we've applied it throughout the length of our hair. Oh, just back in the face. Oh, so we just applied it through the length of our hair. You can see our hair.
It got a tiny bit longer.
Look at that.
Oh, look, mommy.
Look at that. It's actually elongated in Tolani's hair. Look at that. So this Tolani's hair close up. This is my hair close up. It didn't. I don't think it elongated anything. And this is Eniola's hair if she stops playing with it. It just elongated a little bit of it. Yeah, just this strand here. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, and we're going to rinse our hair and hope to see magic. Let us go rinse our hair so that we can see magic of elongation. Let's go rinse our hair.
Curl stretcher,
Curl stretcher, curl stretcher. So we finished rinsing our hair, and we dried our hair, And so we're gonna show you, this is our hair. I don't see any stretch.
I don't see a difference.
I don't see a difference. Do you see a difference?
Let me.
I don't know.
Should we take off this one to?
Yeah, okay, we're gonna take off this one to compare.
Yeah, this one's a little bit
because this one
softer,
is the one that we don't have. We didn't stretch it. We didn't put the cross stretcher in it.
To be honest, this one was longer.
I mean,
Besides that,
okay, let's shake it a little bit. Not too much. So you can see Eniola zone. Let's see Eniola zone. Do you guys notice anything different? Did it stretch? Look forward. Okay, let's compare this side to this side. I don't notice anything. No. Let me show you mine. This is mine. This is the side that I didn't put the cross stretcher. This is the side I put the cross stretcher. Nothing. It does feel softer, Tolani. Let's compare yours.
To be honest, this one looks longer than this one. Which
Yeah.
is the one that we use a curl stretcher on.
Okay, let's see. So this is Tolani's comparison. No difference. But let's feel it. This feels much softer.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah,
this one feels more like.
This one feels a little bit rough and tangled. Look at that.
Yeah.
And I know I detangled it, but look at this one. Look at this. How is yours feeling?
This side?
This side feels.
This side feels tangled. This one.
It feels the same. Did we just waste our money? And how much did we buy this? We bought this at the store. This is not, we bought it for $5.99. We bought it at the store. I removed the label. So have you guys ever tried a cross stretcher before? Let us know what you think. Did it work for you? This is much shrunken up than this. Look at that. It's so obvious. I don't know. So I don't know what we're gonna use this for now.
I use it on my dolls.
Yeah, she could use it on a doll. So that is it for today. If you guys enjoyed this kind of product review, if you want us to be doing product reviews like this, are you guys up to it?
Yeah, I love doing videos like this.
Yeah, so and it's a nice bunch. Oh my gosh, look at that shrinkage. Look at that shrinkage. Oh, I'm sorry, sweetheart. But this is fun. This was fun. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please do subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah.
I haven't actually seen this. Wait. Oh my god.
That's the one. This is the side that we did the cross stretcher on.
What? This isn't even funny.
You want to go out like that?
No, it's like someone chopped off half of my hair.
Oh, sorry,
This isn't-
sweetheart. Do it for the culture. Do it for the natural hair community. For the Fussy girls.
I'm done.